India is the largest and the most vibrant democracy in the world, where every vote counts. Voting gives Indian citizens the power to form a government of the people, for the people, and by the people. Active and well-informed participation of voters is integral to the successful conduct of democratic elections.
To enhance voter awareness and voter turnout, ECI launched the Systematic Voters Education and Electoral Participation or SWEEP program in 2009.
Since its launch, SWEEP has led to a steady increase in voter registration and voter turnout, characterized by higher participation of women, youth, persons with disabilities, and marginalized groups.
SWEEP aims mainly at spreading awareness on voter registration processes, updation of details, use of EVM VVPAT, ensuring informed and ethical voting, and also a prize against inducement or instigation.
The three-pronged SWEEP strategy involves IMF, information, motivation and facilitation, which is implemented through localization, collaboration and targeted interventions.
Voter surveys are conducted time and again in each state and UT to map the demographics with lower participation and design district-specific targeted SWEEP action plans before each election. 360-degree approach adopted by SWEEP includes multimedia and interpersonal communication, digital and outdoor events, community mobilization activities and voter facilitation. Identifying the emotional connect of popular personalities with the masses. National and state icons from various fields of life are nominated to boost the outreach programs.
Another novel initiative is celebrating National Voters' Day every year on 25th January, the Foundation Day of Election Commission of India. SWEEP has successfully addressed various gaps in participation such as youth disconnect and urban apathy. Committed to inducement-free elections, SWEEP educates voters on model code of conduct to ensure ethical voting. Electoral Literacy Club, launched in 2018, is a promising endeavor that has set up informal learning groups on electoral processes across the country.
SWEEP collaborates with different stakeholders to design programs that ensures inclusive and accessible elections with festive flavor. A decade of SWEEP initiatives have led to fruition with Lok Sabha 2019, witnessing historic feats such as the lowest gender gap ever and highest voter turnout in Lok Sabha elections since independence.